Welcome to this explainer. Let's jump right into how AI is totally rewiring the global workforce today.
It's the ultimate anxiety for everyone right now. So be honest, is your career actually doomed?
Time to bust that myth. AI isn't just replacing us, it's shifting the landscape and creating new fields.
Sure, AI is aggressively automating repetitive stuff. Basic clerical or simple customer support jobs, yeah, they're changing fast. But honestly, the reality is way more optimistic. It's going to evolve existing roles and create brand new, high-paying ones.
We're already seeing massive demand for AI engineers and data scientists making absolute top dollar in India.
And entirely new fields are popping up, like prompt engineers who expertly design the workflows behind these systems.
To really thrive, companies want a hybrid. They need your tech skills mixed with irreplaceable human creativity and leadership.
That's exactly why careers needing complex judgment and emotional connection, like doctors, teachers, and entrepreneurs, remain super safe.
So here's the ultimate golden formula to future-proof yourself. Just take AI and add another skill. You don't gotta be an AI genius. Just mix AI into your existing expertise, like finance or healthcare. So, what's the best path if you're fresh out of class 12? How do you build this combo? Follow this roadmap. Nail down programming, web dev, and cloud tools first. Then add AI basics and build projects.
Fast forward to 2035, we're looking at continuous human-AI collaboration, wild robotics, and hyper-advanced AI systems everywhere.
The shift is happening right now. So, will you let AI replace you or master it to elevate your career?